Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this week's video from the Veg Grower Podcast. Coming up this week I've got a couple of clips, but something I just want to warn you, throughout this you'll hear me moaning about toothache, which is why this week's video is a little bit late at getting out. Now I've had a tooth pulled, which was causing me a problem, but anyway, enough about me, let's crack on with the video. I've noticed that some of my water butts have developed leaks. I've given them a thorough examination and I can't see any cracks at all in them. So my theory is they're leaking from the seams when they're built and glued together and what have you. So after a bit of research I came across some stuff called builder's flash band, which I think will just about stop it from leaking. Picked this up from Screwfix. It's about $9.99 a roll, so not exactly cheap, but hopefully if it does the trick it'll be worth it. Now my understanding with this builder's flash band, it's builders use it to waterproof items, walls and stuff when they're building them. I don't know, but someone can tell me a bit more. But it's kind of easy to apply because it's like a sellotape. Have to excuse me, I've got a toothache and I have to keep swilling water in to kind of help it. Gotta say, I've used mastic before, and glues and things, and hot guns and stuff, which kind of work, but this is far easier to fit. Right, there we go. That will fix these leaves, so I'm going to leave that there just to set, then I'll get it filled up with water. Just smooth it around everywhere, just make sure it's good. But yeah. Another job I'm tackling today is washing down this greenhouse. Trying with this brush first. That seems to be working quite well. As you can see, it's covered in all this green stuff from rainwater and stuff, algae, really. And that's obviously going to stop the light coming through. So, let me get that. Give it a good wash down. I'm probably going to have to wash the inside down looking at it as well. I'm only using water in this, no chemicals, nothing like that. Walls aren't as bad. I've got to sew this tooth again. I'll just give this one more rinse down. Looking a lot better already. See if this will work on the inside as well. Yeah, that'll do it. I think it might be easier with a sponge, to be honest. Oh, this tooth. Yeah, that's looking a lot better. Probably need another wash down. And I should have done it during the winter time or in the summer. But yeah, I'm happy with that. Well, could be better, but it'll do. In fact, there's oh no, there's no batteries in the thermometer, otherwise I'll see what the temperature is in there. Just doing the back now. If you can see, I'm not sure if you can. In theory, the algae should die without moisture. There we go. Let's use a sponge on the inside now. knife. There we go. We'll leave that to dry now and we'll see what happens. Well, there we go, guys. That's this week's video, and everything's up to date. You'll see what I've done this last week. So thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the show, give us a like, comment, anything like that. I'd love to hear what other people do to clean their greenhouses or repair their water butts. But until then, please take care, and I'll see you again next time.